So in this video we are going to see a problem and we have to find the current through the 23 ohm resistor of the given circuit using superposition theorem. Okay, so this is a given circuit. So if I want to apply the superposition theorem, I have to consider only one source, right? So we have two sources, right? One is 200 volt as a voltage source and 20 amps as a current source. So first let me consider only 200 volt. Okay. And if I want to find the if I want to make it 0, I have to open circuit this current source. So if I open circuit, I will get and I need to find the current at this point. Okay. So this is my first circuit. For the circuit 1, I need to find the current at this point. So here I'm going to apply a node analysis method. So let me assume all the current is going out in this direction. So if I want to find the current at this point, VA minus 0 divided by 27 ohm plus VA minus 200 divided by 47 ohm plus VA divided by 27, that is equal to 0. Okay. So we'll get to 2VA by 27 plus VA minus 200 divided by 47 is equal to 0. Okay. So we get what is 2 divided by 27? 2 divided by 27 is 0.074 V8 plus 1 divided by 47 is 0.0212 V8 minus 200 divided by 47, 4.25 is equal to 0. Okay, so 0.074 plus 0.0 is equal to 4.25. So what is VA? VA is equal to 4.25 divided by 0.0952. Others VA is equal to 44.64. So if I want to find the current, I is equal to VA divided by 27, right? VA divided by 27. So 4.464 in divided by 27. That is 1.65. Okay, so this current is nothing but 1.65 amps. Similarly for the circuit 2, I have to consider only this. So this becomes short circuited. So you have 27 ohm and 47 ohm 4 ohm, 4 ohm, 20 and 23. So if you see the 27 and 47 are in parallel, so you will get 17.14.
Okay, being the talking into a case, see them and what you need. I'm betting you had to see them, but you be good the pain.
So this is nothing but
Bro, you see there, he above that, but only out of our weapon, out there.
21.1. So if I want to find the current at this point, this current is equal to total current into opposite resistance. Opposite resistance divided by total resistance.
And I can show my opinion again, it is good. And then of course, and then
That is 9.58. So this is my IB. Okay. So the total current is equal to IA plus IB. So here IB is nothing but 9.582 and IA is 1.65.
God, I mean, get the room and me pipes.
So answer is 11.23. So this is my current value. Good. So let me cross check this values using normal method. Okay.
Was all about. Yeah, and oh, dear,
So this is my circuit and I want to check this current, right? So let me take this one as VA and this one as VB. Okay. So
that level.
yeah, let me assume the current is flowing like this. Okay. So at node VA. Okay. So VA divided by 27 plus VA minus 200 divided by 47 plus VA minus VB by 4 is equal to 0. So this is your first equation. So at node VB. Okay. So VA minus VB divided by 4 plus 20. So this is a current, right? The 20 is its value. That is equal to VB divided by 23. So I need to find the value of VB, right? So what is 1 divided by 4? 0.25, right? 0.25 VA minus 0.25 VB plus 20 is equal to, what is 1 divided by 23? 0.0434 VB. Okay. Plus 0.26. Second right is 0.25 VA plus 20 is equal to 0.293 VB. Okay. So 0.25 VA is equal to 0.293 VB minus 20. Okay. So what is 0.293 divided by 0.25? That is 1.172 VB by 4. That is 80, right?
That it's in the deactivate and the deactivate.
Okay. Here I can write VA. What is VA? VA by 27 plus VA by 47 plus VA by 4 minus VB by 4 minus what is 200 divided by 47. That is 4.25. Okay. And so 1 divided by 27, 1 divided by 27 is 0.037 VA plus 1 divided by 47 plus 0.021 VA plus 0.25 VA, that is equal to 4.255 plus 0.25 VB. Okay. So I'm going to add 0.308 VA is equal to 4.255 plus 0.25 VB. So what is 0.308 VA? That is 0.72 into 308. And you get 0.36 VB minus
Anybody? That's what.
28. 24.64. So I'm going to substitute this one. Okay. 0.36 VB minus 24.64, that is equal to 4.25 plus 0.25 VB. Okay. So if I subtract, I will get to 0.11 VB, that is equal to
The year of deaths and in the 8
4.255 plus 24.64. 8.893. So what is VB?
He's on the day.
AB is 262.68. So if VB is 262.68, what is my I? I is equal to 262.68 divided by 23. That is nothing but 11.4. So I have to cross check this one. You can see I is nothing but 11.23 here, and here it is 11.4. Okay. So this is how you have to cross check this. That has to be measured in terms of amps.